Before installing the armrest box, install the handbrake to an electronic brake first. Step 1. Spare part 35 armrest box cover. Step 2. Spare part 37 both sides lower panels. Step 3. Spare part 32 crawling switch assembly. Install all wiring harnesses before installation. Fasten the bead 35. Step 4. Spare part 38 both sides upper panels. Step 5. Spare part 33 颗 ear shift knob. Install remote sensing navigation mouse. Install front bead 35. Step 6. Spare part 24 start cover plate. Step 7. Spare part 25 glove box cover plate. Step 8. Spare part 31 left and right cover plates. Step 9. Spare part 36 rear air vents. Armrest box assembly installation completed.